this was just a particular experience we had. We were getting into Tokyo with a couple of friends, and he was using Apple Maps. And, talk about more choices then. First we had all the choices that Google Maps, but he said that Apple Maps was better.
Yeah, I tend to disagree. Not always, because sometimes Apple Maps is better than Google Maps. But it depends. And overall, we have found, I think, that Google Maps does a better job than Apple Maps in most cases, not all cases. And this one was a great example. We wanted to go to this Shioya Jinja shrine, and it's on the map, and okay, Chris had her Apple for a change and was going to try these Apple Maps because some people just swear by them and say that there's nothing better. So we're going to give it a try.
I was willing
give it a
to
shot.
believe it. I know that I am biased towards Google, so I'll try Apple Maps and see if it's... And the first thing I saw, I said, oh, I do like this better. It told us that we had to go upstairs, and it gave a little picture of stairs. Google Maps doesn't do that, and sometimes we're wandering around saying, I don't understand, turn right, turn left.
Go up, go down.
You have to go up. So anyway, that was good, but then...
Yeah, we followed the directions for Apple Maps. I didn't even turn on my Google Maps. Now you can't get Google Maps on an iPhone. Don't forget that. And so we walked up and up and up and up this tall hill. It was blistering hot, and so we sweated our way up to the top, and there was no shrine.
No shrine.
No. Didn't
so
make
we
it
said,
to the shrine.
Okay, we'll go back to our starting
We
point.
did have some great views up there, though.
Yeah, I guess
it wasn't a bad thing, completely a bad thing, but yeah, it was pretty amazing.
Yes, we have Apple Maps to thank for giving us a lot more exercise that day and some great views.
Yeah.
But we went back to the starting point, and we were about to give up. Say, we don't need to see this shrine. Let's go back. But we looked at Apple Maps, and it says, no, silly, it's right in front of you.
Google Maps.
Oh, I'm sorry. Did I say? Google Maps on the right here said it's just 120 meters from where you're standing. And sure enough,
we walked over there, and guess what we saw? There's a shrine there.
A shrine. So I'm sure that happens with Google Maps sometimes also. But it seems kind of suspicious that it happened at the one and only time I've ever used Apple Maps, So, to each his own. Apple Maps is good. No doubt about it. I'm going to stick to Google Maps.
Okay.